What's going on, everybody? I am running very late today. Sorry for that. So we're gonna make it just in time for the bell. Just join in with the guys.
Speaking of.
Good morning, good morning.
So what's the excuse today?
Just running late.
And here we go. Boom, we're open.
Thomas, what's up, man? Vincenzo, how you doing?
Look at all that.
Good of you. All right, guys. Any marks? Get set. Call them out.
Why don't you tell me what to do?
You like it when I tell you what to do.
And you're not completely wrong.
HJLI. Oh.
OTLK chased some SS.
BTBT dropped big.
Check out EGH. We'd be rich if it went to $1.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. It's SSR now, isn't it?
Yeah.
LIXT stalking it, needs bigger, 4.20 inch. DSKE earnings. Carrot spread. Volume as well.
Nobody's in a trade?
Nope.
Devin's in a trade. I'm not.
I think he's disgusted by what he's seeing.
You guys not hear me? No.
No. Just now.
You said something before, no.
LIXT 50K TV. Or
I'm so glad we
M-Float.
can hear you now. You got a lot to say.
MLS would be interesting if it had got some volume.
MOS.
LIXT could have been interesting if we had more shares available.
I guess it's too late for that.
WHLM is going to be the low float everyone's watching today, it looks like. It's already 10x its float.
LIXT $.
UAA. That just
Died. I don't understand why that's dying. That makes no sense at all.
that's their earnings call. He was saying something about COVID being kind of like a wild card for the next
Shares went quick there,
quarter.
all out.
Probably something to do with that. Fortunately, I didn't just jump in that thing short, so oh well.
Which thing? UAA?
Yeah.
Oh, we had shorts. I didn't realize we had shorts on it. I don't think I would have shorted that anyway, but
Yes, that's a tough one, dude. Right out the bell. Like that. Not
Pins
my
up.
favorite. You know what I mean?
I gotta stop looking at this MLS.
32. Oh, UAA, dude. Oh, that's stressful.
BT dropped.
ZI earnings. PXD earnings. XELA 3.30s. HJLI Chase SS.
It's like CVAC might halt.
CVAC halting. Or not. CVAC huge co.
That's HJLI.
Just kind of hanging out there.
Yeah, just like that held that area there, and let's see if we can push back towards 840.
It could.
But you know what? I'm gonna take it off right there for a very small one. Two small ones on HGLI. That thing likes to give me like 10 cents. And there goes dropping. Alright, good exit, good exit.
Ran right into the 200 on the daily there.
Feel good about it right now.
Yeah. Yeah, considering what, it just dropped, what, 40 cents? 50 cents?
Yep. All I wanted was 840 on that too. I was just looking for a scalp. It's not like I was looking for the world, you know?
This is a breakout on the hourly. Not much stopping it until 4.
Nothing specifically. Just kind of poking around trying to find something I like.
Too bad we don't have shorts in this thing. You have shorts on HJLI dash?
50, 60K.
So low.
Oh, TLK could be interesting if you guys have shorts on it. We don't. Usually it needs to go a little further, but
$3.
Yeah, I'm watching Zila at the moment. XELA needs to go.
ARCT couple starters.
Yeah, ARCT I would have liked, but I missed that one. ARCT was a decent one based off the daily. Yeah, OTLK could get interesting.
PINS.
I thought Thomas just said he missed it.
Yeah, I just took all.
Yeah, I'm not trading that. High from yesterday is all the way up there at 59.60, and yeah, it's one of those tickers.
Making like snap.
Yeah, yeah, they're all the same.
No, one more snap pins. What's it? Twitter. Yeah, they're all the same stock base. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.
OTLKXELA main watches
Good days.
ATM.
Going a
Good
little-
day to you.
Obviously needs some speed.
Who?
Under Armour. Just went up.
Zila is trying. OTLK is attempting to try as well.
OTLK above like 340.
Yeah, I just drew my line there. I'd like to see the pop up through that, up through 350. That'd be where I'd be looking to enter. Zila, I'm looking for somewhere closer to 350. I know this thing can move, but it's crowded. I mean, it's just fighting and there's a lot of volume. I mean, OTLK is crowded too, so it's going to be tough for them both to run, it looks like. But that's why if it does run, it should get a nice little squeeze. Those could definitely both be backside plays today instead. Might never get that front side squeeze.
Hello. Thank you.
EYEG17TV.
A lot of pins.
I don't have it up. Hopefully it was
17K
good.
asterisk.
That looks good.
Yeah, pins I would probably play, but not in the range it was in from yesterday.
Oh, and it would have filled me where I had my order originally.
I was trying to see if this ASMB was going to do anything after this spike, but it just stopped. Come on, Zila, do it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
XELA, you
Pins
can
is
do
going
it.
back up by a day.
What is?
Pins.
Pins? Jeez, I went all the way back up, huh? So Thomas went from woulda got filled to let's go again.
Jumped
Browse.
into UAA.
You're in it?
LOL can't type today.
Not giving this one on.
And IG is wicked looking on.
Yeah, it's I think we don't have many shares either. David said there's only 17K. Lixt is hard to borrow.
LIXTVTV.
DOCN has like an 85-cent spread.
I love David. LIXT looks like it could have been fun had we been able to trade it.
Give him a drop.
Yesterday we waited until 10:40 Eastern to get a trade. I really don't want to do that again today. Yeah, I
What's your
forgot
average, Devin?
74.
to do that. So. I don't even know why I'm watching this. Can't trade it. What are you in?
Under Armour.
UAA.
Earnings.
Some out there.
Yes. Can I give you a card?
All right, now I'm down to kinda
XELA
normal
started the
share size.
X.20.
Steve Bellman. Absolutely, thank you.
CVAL dollar on way.
Still missing a decent win.
CVAC.
You're a decent win.
Looks pretty.
Your mouth looks pretty.
Thank you. I brushed my teeth.
I just meant them lips.
They're nice and full.
Especially since you bit it, it's nice and puffy.
Oh yeah. The bottom looks a little swollen. I look like Rocky Balboa.
Is that an IG? And IG is another one that we can't play. That looks like it could be setting up. Really crap daily. Blech. What's your average in that?
2174.
Nice. Break those lows. Get down through 21, you're golden.
Yeah,
There's a big support there though from yesterday.
yeah, yeah. I'm actually probably just gonna take it off right here.
Dang, look at it go.
I'm calling that a day. Good trade, man.
Oh, that
Not
was
being greedy in this market. Boom. That felt good. Thanks, Jack. I owe
Hey,
that one to you, man. You're the one that called it up.
Yeah, I didn't take that.
absolutely nothing, Thomas. Absolutely nothing. Still got Zila up,
Go to
but
OTL. Come on,
Boom
OTLK.
shakalaka.
Break under 3.
All right. What else is moving? Come on.
nada.
Come on, Jack. You calling them out today? You're my man.
Just gotta take one.
Yeah, I don't know why you didn't take that one, dude. That to me, that is A plus all day, man.
For some reason, I didn't realize
Open-
you had shorts on it, and then you were in, and it was already starting to go.
Yeah,
It
open
just-
up,
but-
open up below all the moving averages. Tries to go back up towards VWAP. A plus setup every time, dude. That's my favorite short right there. Gotta be patient on those, but when they come, HGLI, that's going back.
I don't know what that's doing.
I think that thing wants to run personally, man. Every time it gets up here above this kind of resistance area, like into the 8s, it runs to like.
This is
10, 11 bucks.
brutal. This is brutal.
Ash, thanks for OTLK.
Oh, what?
OTLK.
Cheats.
PayPal's in the description.
Told you I was in it.
I didn't hear you.
I don't listen to you.
Oh.
Nah, I just don't think. I don't think it came across the mic. Did anybody else hear it?
I didn't hear you say OTLK.
It's possible. I get
But I don't listen to you.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez. Yeah, that worked out nice. Almost a triple top.
Probably could have helped for more. But 21 cents ain't bad.
NURO41 KTB.
Yeah, HGLI, dude, that's on pretty serious watch for me. For a long.
I just gotta figure out which way, what it's gonna do.
OTLK lock and trail.
I think it wants to go up. I like it holding up over here over 8. guys, my account is funded.
Send the money out to everybody.
ARCT out all.
Why do I gotta send money to you guys?
So are you trading on that one or?
Is it still on
No,
a hold though?
I'm trading on CMEG because I didn't do my DOS yet because I don't really want to pay the fees right now. Just because
Well, is it still on hold too?
No, the account's funded. It's ready to go. I could
Yeah,
trade
but
with the other.
oh, okay,
free.
okay.
I just
Because I know with them, sometimes it'll be in the account, but you still have to wait for it to be funded.
No, it's funded. It is ready to go.
Hey, you watching LI there, Jag? Scoopity scoop scoop.
Yeah, that LI man, she's taking a hitty hit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Shows a better level on that daily to really target.
XELA out all. Too slow.
3130s.
Just missed it. It didn't jump before it filled me. I tried at 67 and it went above me.
HJLI taking all. Grindy too.
Oh man, this is brutal. Anybody see anything?
Is anyone home? Are they upstairs?
You talking to the market?
I know, right? Anyone here? Are they upstairs? Where are they? What are you watching, Snoop Jagalicious?
I don't know. I just pulled up run, but I don't really like it.
Thank you.
What did that UAA do after I got out?
Hey Steve,
Back up.
does it amaze you how many people let their kids answer the door?
Those were the painters.
Same difference.
Are you amazed how many people have painters?
Who hires painters?
I do.
Ever get
Everybody?
amazed at how many painters there are? I mean, there's so many painters.
Am I the only idiot that paints my own shit?
I used to. I don't anymore.
Painting's such a pain in the ass.
Well, I don't
Painting-
have a huge YouTube following.
Oh yeah, because that's why I do it.
It's that paint money.
Yeah, that paint money. That's what it's all about. Dude, painting is the worst fucking thing in the world. I hate it so much.
I agree with Vash.
I also moved 15 tons of gravel in my
Oh,
front yard. So.
HGLI gonna get
Well, see,
slizzing.
I'd rather do that than paint.
But you used the skid steer. It's not like you moved it by wheelbarrow.
Hey, details. Details.
Hey, oh, see, when I'm getting ready to level out my backyard for my shed, and I'm about to be wheelbarrowing because I don't have fucking skid steer to use.
Oh, go
Oh
rent one from Home
man,
Depot,
those
dude.
be okay.
They're cheap, man. It's not bad at all. And if you've got a truck, you could pull it easily.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Person,
Yeah,
Thomas LI.
Yeah.
plenty. Holy shit.
What about
Seed,
Montana
please
Labs.
give me another shot at it.
You're probably
Like
looking for
8 mil.
Interested in.
Yeah, we missed seed there, huh?
where did seed come from?
That was a quick. It was just probably just a quickie. Had to have orders out kind of thing. I mean, Brian didn't even get it, so I didn't even see it on the scanner.
I saw it. It was already gone.
Once again, half goal.
But no, I'll probably use my dad's truck and just load it up with gravel and drive it into the backyard. But I gotta dig it up first, which is the shitty part.
Yeah, it's the worst part, man.
6 inches. I'm like, how about 2?
Especially if it's been there for years, just getting all crustified in there.
Well, you don't even understand. This is like my backyard's like a rock.
Ugh.
Yeah, it's freaking ridiculous. It's all compacted. It's so bad.
What are you talking about?
UAA. Look at UAA.
Go rent an
New
excavator.
AA?
You and the kids will have
Under
fun.
Armour.
Yeah, that thing might run, dude. I mean, I don't know at this point. Now that's kind of too many times getting bought up like this, you know.
I can't short Under Armour anymore. I have too many friends that work there. Need to keep their jobs.
I need a lot of friends that work at Under Armour.
Yeah, like my whole baseball team, pretty much they're all Under Armour employees.
Weird.
You're weird.
I think they'll be all right if we take 20 cents off the top.
Yeah, that's true. But if you do it enough times, you know, over time, that might add up to something.
BRB peeps.
Yeah, miss a decimal here or there. Zila, are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Then do it. What a joke. 5 cents, really?
She's going to do it on like 20 bars.
And you could see all the stop losses getting hit there, but that was like nothing. Only 5 cents. Need you to take that 5 and times it by 10, please.
$3 stock. You want it to pop out 50 cents?
Yes, I do.
ARCT.
It can.
45
It's done it
PFS.
plenty of times.
Not when you were watching it to get in.
Yeah, true that. ARCT actually just went through the 200 on the daily.
CRSR could be interesting if you got them.
CRSR?
Yep.
You know, Jag, we're on completely different pages. I don't even think we're in the same book.
I was waiting for you to type it in so I can typed it in.
Interesting for what?
I mean, you don't like the big gap down, going back up move.
I mean, that could be a solid short if it was popping to that 29 area, I guess, but
I said it could get interesting. I didn't say it was interesting.
It's pre-interesting.
it's got it.
Corsair is on bad terms right now.
Bad stick of RAM.
Carrot in.
Just do not have the stomach this morning for a 40-cent spread.
Yeah, get used to it in the room, bro. Brian's gonna make you FOMO like a mofo.
Really?
Yeah, dude. He just throws trade. He throws shares at a lot of things.
These are the times that it's hard to ignore. Like, or it's just nothing.
Trust me. Yesterday, he's like throwing shares at stuff. He probably traded like 15-ish tickers. I'm assuming. Probably more than that, to be honest. And I'm just sitting here just watching, and I'm just like, ugh.
Money on the way.
Yeah.
And then money.
Well, yeah. And in your head, you're like, why is he taking that? But I mean, it always seems to work, and that's why I keep telling Thomas and everybody else. I was like, obviously, he sees something that we don't see.
He doesn't see
FLGC's trying to.
the only money you have.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's true. I always say that to him, and that's when I think part of him realizes that he's on a different planet.
Not even different level. You hit the whole different planet.
Yeah, that's good. That's true. I mean, that's why I was making the whole argument about goal and quota. You know, when someone has a quota, it's so different than calling it a goal, because I feel like a quota you feel is the minimum that you are required to get. And so for him, you know, say it's $100, you know, that's his quota, but his goal every day in this scenario would be $1,000. So it's like he's trading to make 1,000, but he wants to at least make 100. And that's kind of where I think using the term quota versus goal is a little backwards. Which is why I'm trying to change it. And it might just be a mental thing on my side, but I do think there is, when you, I don't know, just using the word quota, I feel like when you think of quota, like you think of police officers having to meet their quota for how many tickets they give out, you know, so it's like, that's what the word means. It's like a minimum requirement, essentially. And you shouldn't really be looking at your goal per day as a quota, because then you almost feel like you have to FOMO into stuff just to get there. And like ARCT. Yeah.
Should be made without any stress.
Right, exactly. As I was telling David last night, I think a good rule of thumb would be to have a goal and then make your quota half of that.
Right.
So that way if you
expect from the market.
Exactly. And then when you get to a point, like say, like for me, for instance, like I want to get to $1,000 a day, but I don't want to stop at $1,000 a day. So if I can get there, that would then become my quota, but my goal would be 2,000. But then if I'm making 2,000, I could, you know, I could continue to scale, but then keep my quota at 1,000. So every day I want to make at least 1,000, but I'm not going to stop myself from trying to make more, which would then be my goal. And I feel like that's where Brian is at this point, which is why he's on a different planet, is because for him, his quota is so low compared to what he's trying to make every day that it's just easy for him to throw shares at stuff. At least that's my perspective of it. And I think that's why, and plus, you know, obviously he just knows what he's doing and has the experience and sees things that we don't see, and that's just going to take time.
Be watching Snoop Doggy Dogg.
Under Armour.
Let me Me too. Honestly,
Hello.
kind of become long bias on it. I wish that last freaking cover arrow was a buy
Did you
arrow.
ask me to show up?
Oh wow, look at an armor go.
It's summertime.
Should have bought the dip when you sold there, Devin, or
Yeah,
covered.
that's what I'm saying.
That was really good
No
support from
problem with that.
yesterday. It was definitely most likely
Yeah,
going to at least
my fault.
bounce there. Or try to bounce, I mean. It just never looked back. It was like, alright, alright, we went down there, we tested it out. Alright, let's go back to the highs. Alright, let's go.
A CRSR would have been a nice short then.
We'll do more next week then. No problem at all. Thank you so much. You're
It's
welcome.
L.
You too.
It's
Jake
LI.
to prove his point. Told you.
You said it could get interesting, and it wasn't interesting yet.
But it did get it. Just
In
What happened
hindsight.
to it?
I would have wanted it to go a little bit higher personally, but it dropped $1 or almost $1.
Another one?
Yeah,
We did that before. That's not exciting.
that's not exciting.
I already dropped $1. Do something different.
Do something new and exciting.
Drop $2.
Wow, a chart
That
that
would be
actually looks
exciting.
like something I might trade if it goes,
What's
What?
that?
but it's not. KDMN. If it would have popped through 450 there, that would have been something I'd probably trade. Finally. But no.
I'm going to actually do what I used to do and get rid of all these cheapos so I don't see them. I don't like them.
And you'll have even less to talk about.
Yeah, for real.
Which is good.
This is brutal. This is so brutal.
Yeah, this is slow.
ARCT again.
Alright, I'm getting rid of this
For
thing.
me, slow
did
works out
yesterday,
okay
I
because
did
it
the
means
same
you can't go
thing. I
too far
made-
against me.
ARCT,
morning.
maybe.
Who what?
PBF?
ARCT.
It's a little bit higher priced.
Yeah, I would like it a little higher anyway.
Got room
Like
to 129.71.
Like $54 is where I'd like it.
It's up 12. I need it to go up another 8.
PBF, I'd have to
That
do
thing's
something
spready, huh?
special. Yeah, that ARCT, I looked at it. It's pretty damn spready.
I tried to just get in there at 47.50, didn't get filled.
That spread.
Order
bruh.
cancelled.
Yeah, that's why I hit the ask, didn't get filled. Would have been a good fill. I hit it as it was coming back down, that's the problem.
VHLN.
I would really like that way closer to 50 though.
Don't want to take that. Ah, I'm having the same day, like, repeatedly, dude. Make about half goal in the morning and then nothing else happens.
My day's been nothing in the mornings, then half goal like around 10:30 to 11, and then nothing.
Both having the same issue of half goal, but we're getting them at different times.
Spy's kind of going down again, which isn't helping matters.
$1.20.
Incoming crash.
We again.
My deal, puppy, you're the best boy. Where's our boy DT at today? Our boy DT.
I don't know.
Okay.
Here's There's a SPY breaking the lows.
Yeah, UAA was a buy setup for me, but I didn't really. I literally left it at 3 hour,
Ooh. SPY's at a pretty key area here on the hourly. Breaks this, that might not, but might be no
JH
bueno.
Moss scoop.
all the way down. Yeah, 36.
Yeah, like right here at 36. That's that pullback
Previous
from
holder, yeah.
the 27th.
Yeah. See what it does there. And
Just saying, on the daily after that too, there's really nothing holding it up.
I really don't know how much leverage stuff like this has, but it's also the 200 on the 60-minute. But
I don't have that up. I mean, if you are on the 60 and you look at that big pullback back in June 18th and then the pullback July 19th, like if you draw a trend line on those, I would think that's probably where we're gonna at least drop to. So like if it dropped there today, here
I'm not looking at the dates. Too much work.
I just posted the picture in Discord. Just saying, if we get some kind of a violent sell-off like we have been every once in a while and it gets bought back up, I'm just saying I think it'll try to hold that trend line now that it formed it.
Yeah. Copy. Yeah, I gotcha. Oh, okay, from way back here, I see ya.
Hello.
That'd be roughly like, I don't know, I mean, without drawing the trend line, like 427-ish.
Yeah, if it did it today, yeah.
Yeah.
But I doubt it'll do it today.
Yeah, I'm just saying then.
Yeah.
What would pull back damage? Funny how, like, back in the day, we used to look at trend lines, and then I think they moved
Just so
away
you can
from
see what I
them,
was looking at.
but now you see there is validity in them. It's just,
I just don't use them for entries.
yeah,
That's all, yeah.
It's good to see them, though. It's good to see
Yeah.
the possibility here.
I wonder what they're gonna do. If the SPY keeps going up, what would they do with something like SQQQ? Like, can it just go to 0, or do they do like a split on it, or I wonder how that works.
Probably do a reverse.
Keep it.
It's fighting. Sell-off candle.
I think this is the slowest we've ever seen it in a while.
I think yesterday was worse than today, personally, but
Yeah, but yesterday we at least had a couple pops on stocks. Like today, they're not even. There's nothing popping.
I'm looking at
Yeah.
overall volume. Volume has been a little better today than yesterday. Yesterday, the volume just sucked out of this market like no joke.
Hey, I think we might be get to buy EJH at $1 again, Tim.
Is it going back down?
Hey, look at it.
Oh, what the? What the heck? What the? Yeah, what the heck?
TAL do?
I'm telling you, if this gets to $1, knowing that it can make a bounce like it did, I'm in.
32 Bico on earnings.
I know, I might go long right here because if it can do that again.
Yeah, what's the imbalance at?
1165. That's right.
Yeah, it's gonna hold support and it's gonna. Oh, that's crazy. I mean, if I put $10 in, what's the most I can lose? $110. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, but it could easily go right back up to 22 again. I can make $110.
Me, man. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until this market picks up a little bit. I mean, by the end of the month, I'm doing DOS by like the 20th either way. then that'll be when my, isn't that how, so that's how it works. If I set up the DOS on the 20th, that's when the money will always come out, is on the 20th.
Yes.
Okay. I'll probably just
Yeah, I
leave it
think
on the DOS
mine's
and then,
at 15th.
then that'll give me, the rest of the month to close out CMEG. And I won't be paying anything on the first. I think I already paid for this month. I was closing this down. I had enough money in here to trade. It's so damn slow. Jesus, it's so slow. What you thinking about UAA, Jag? You think it runs? You think it dies?
It could go. I mean, it can do either or. That's the problem, and it's kind of just chopping in this range.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna run, but
I kind of do too. This is kind of the key area right here. This 22, 20th area.
AKH should open in 10 seconds.
What stock is it?
EJH.
BTBT and TB.
It's open.
Yeah, look, it's holding. It's holding. There it goes. It's gonna halt at 13. Or it's gonna go $1. I'm telling you. It starts getting near $1, like $3. I'm in. Let's go. Part of me wants it to try. Yeah. Yeah.
EJH needs speed. Or scoop.
Got a big spread.
EJH $3, please.
Bird on a dollar stock. That's always fun.
No, it's
Even
not
I
so
would
bad.
scoop then.
That's because it's gonna probably halt
Yeah, it's probably gonna halt.
or not.
It's gonna halt one way or the other. It's either gonna squeeze back up or it's just gonna die. I got a feeling this thing might go for a ride because I think a lot of people were buying in long for the bounce. Like they're like, okay, we're going back to 30, and now they're all like, what happened?
¿Dónde el baño?
Oh, look at this thing go. It'd be real hard not to buy some here. This reminds me of what is EGH? It reminds.
Household goods or something.
It's a household goods. Are they going bankrupt?
I don't know.
PRFX 63 KTV.
I was gonna say it reminds me of Pacific Gas and Electric, back when they like caused those wildfires.
Oh yeah.
That's what this reminds me of. Look at this thing. It's gonna halt down under 10.
Oh, it's fighting the halt.
I thought 10 would have been a good spot for a bounce, but look at the halt just keeps going down.
EJH paper here.
Trying to believe in UAA here, and I'm long.
You're long.
Yep.
22.
22, 25.
Is it gonna halt this time? Nope. Just not getting enough downward pressure when it gets to the halt.
Carrot right idea. Sketch AF.
There we go, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go now.
Just keeps kind of messing with it.
Nope.
Look at it go. It just
Right
keeps
back
getting
down.
down to it, but not going to it. It's like, yeah. Yeah. It's almost like someone's getting out of a position or something. Like they don't want to let it halt because then they wouldn't be able to keep getting out.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Push, 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 push. Push through 2230. Come on.
Oh, it might halt this time. Wonder if they finally got out.
Oh my god, dude. This thing is
That looked like
battling
someone
for its life.
liquidating a position.
EJH does.
What's the imbalance?
9.
Oh.
Big volume push. Big volume push. Let's go. 2230 is definitely the area it's got to break.
19 days ago, they acquired some Chinese company.
PHIO X.20 plus.
E-Household Service
PLS.
Holdings Limited acquires farm to build an additional senior care villa. So there's senior care housing in China.
All out.
Dang, SPY made a huge bounce.
Yeah.
Got out of that
You make it
basically.
your break even.
And basically small, tiny little baby loss. Tiny little baby loss. Gave up like $15.
ATCX
The
stalking.
inbounce is $9.99
What stock?
on EJH. Nothing you're interested in.
Oh. Why are we talking about it so much?
Because this is exactly
BT, what up with you?
yeah. What's it up to now?
What is up with BT?
Still sitting on your hands, Tim?
Yep.
That's a massive climb on that one, dude.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, dude, that one's getting super duper interesting.
What hands? I can't feel them.
Alright, this one will be the one that'll make my money back.
That small baby penny loss.
Small bit, well, it's $15, but it wasn't a penny. $15 is $15 when you're only a half a goal. Jeez.
I don't feel bad for you.
You better get those rookie numbers up. I'm telling you, want to get up, sure, get up there. You're gonna take bigger
Dude,
losses than that.
This ain't the market to try to hit the home runs, bro.
Definitely is not.
You're not in the market to start going hard. Dude, I promise you, when we get in that market again, you're gonna see me go hard. I'm not afraid of it anymore at all. I know it.
I am like just so excited for when that finally happens.
Oh, when we have that day where we can actually trade again.
Yeah, essentially. Like just back to where I'm getting 7-8 trades a day instead of just crying hoping for one.
Want that day where I can post that chart that I freaking got from the bottom to the top or the top to the bottom and be like, look at that shit.
I just want to be able to post 7 to 8 consistent charts and know that they were all good entries.
Dude, I'm becoming a scalper because of this market. I'm scalping the shit out of things. It's just because that's what I have. I feel like I don't have the conviction to stay in it.
I am essentially a scalper, and I can't find anything to scalp.
I'm kind of a scalper. I view it kind of as trend scalping.
Go.
Leaving a piece in when there's potential, but
yeah, that's been my big thing that I've been working on, but this market kind of sucks for it. Is when you get the big overextension and you see a clear support level where it's most likely going to go back and try. I try to leave some on for that.
Holding out all.
yeah,
Yawn.
no, you got it, man. That's how you really grow instead of just taking little base hits every time. When you do get the home run trade, you wanna be in for the home run.
Yeah, I wouldn't even call those home runs for me. Like a home run would be me being super confident and holding the whole position down to that level. But yeah. I would say it's more like doubles and possibly triples. I don't think I'll ever aim for home runs. It's just not my strategy.
Just taking the base hit.
Yeah.
Money ball.
Yep, it's definitely money ball. I might never hit home runs, but I'm definitely gonna manufacture some runs.
DJH is about to open.
That 850 batting average, man. That's what you got to keep.
Exactly. As long as you have the max loss in place and you're hitting 850, you're good.
Feels like we're just not getting any pitches.
Exactly. We're just like standing up at the frickin' plate and just waiting for them to pitch, and they're not pitching. They're like,
Throw the ball.
This guy's really good at getting base hits. I'd rather not throw it to him.
I'm not throwing the ball.
They're walking the second baseman here.
Come on. I wish it would have opened at $1. I would have bought some. I mean, how much lower could it go, right? It can't.
Seriously about to take a long?
At $1,
Only if it goes to $1.
maybe $3. I think $3 is where I would try it.
Dude, that's possible.
I'm talking pretty small shares here, so the max I'd be willing to lose on this thing's like $50. So let me do the math. That's what, like 13 shares or so.
What's crazy is that volume profile is just going up in the red.
Look at the volume it's getting now. People are like, fuck.
Yeah, it's just everyone's dumping.
Well, I think the reason it didn't halt right away last time is because I think someone was liquidating. And it might even be somebody doing that now. Because see how it literally gets to the halt price and then gets bought up? I think that person is buying so that they can try to get some kind of a squeeze from the shorts so that then they can cover into that. Or sell into that, I should say. Look at this thing.
Are we watching EJH?
Yeah, it's at $8 now.
Oh god, I'm not even gonna look at this.
Dude, this is a scoop opportunity.
That's what probably a lot of people said yesterday too.
And they were right.
At 20.
Yeah, if you got the bottom.
If this goes to 3, I'm taking some.
Boom, bolted.
What's the imbalance?
It's right. 793, 806, 810.
The
It's all-
imbalance is 315.
Yes! Order in. 315 works for me.
It's 850.
Oh, this is I mean, that's crazy. This thing, like, what? There has to be some kind of news on this thing. There has to be something. Like, the stock doesn't just do this.
The imbalance is 999 right now.
Especially like a newer company. Like, what the?
So
That
up
company
$2.
definitely ain't killing babies.
They're
Imbalance
doing
is
something.
11.
Let me see if I can find anything.
Barber? Can't go outside. Yeah.
It's 9/11.
The imbalance was at 11 a minute ago. Now it's back to 850.
Yeah, it's not gonna gap up like that. Not that much. That's probably the people that are trying to liquidate their positions, trying to like spoof it, so that people are thinking it's gonna do that.
There's nothing on the news feeds. Just
I know.
reporting on the drops.
eHome Household Service Holdings, headquarters China. But they're having a rough day. Rough 2 days. I mean, they were having like a rough last month, but
Yeah.
these last 2 days, it's like, ugh.
But you didn't have shorts on that.
Falls nearly 60%, then recovers half. The end of a wild session.
EJH added paper, volume feels right here.
Then losing 60%.
That is a
Must
solid
not be too
volume
many
candle
shares
to
here.
signal the possible
It's
reversal.
expensive.
Carrot.
5 cents a
Or
share.
just the start of the move to $0. LOL.
Oh yeah, now Colin can see my random laughs and what they mean.
Yeah.
FLGC with a nice move. No shares. FLGC. X. How much you paying for commissions? I pay per share. It's 0.0035 per share on Interactive Brokers. So pretty much every trade that I'm taking that's 100 shares or less is 0.0 or is 35 cents. And then some of the minute fees, it's probably more like 36 cents when you add all those in. But I add liquidity a lot, so sometimes it's actually less than 35 cents. But anything over 100 shares, then you just add the 0.0035 per share. Interactive Brokers commissions is really good when you do the tiered. So why is it doing this? Stock sank. Yeah, the stock sank on no apparent news, although eHome has been fluctuating like crazy ever since the U.S. initial public offering. Priced at so the initial public offering was priced at $4.50, and it was expected $4 to $5 per share.
And for some reason, it spiked huge.
Right. So that's probably what this is. It's probably just going back down to where it belongs.
LGC to the moon.
BTC2 is starting to come back down.
Yeah, I'm watching that one. It's got kind of a interesting little pattern developing here. But that's probably gonna be an inside day. From what the pattern be telling me.
All right, about 15 seconds. Inbounce is 8:30.
Saba.
Michael boy.
Jeez, look at that.
Low out of my price range there for Saba.
FLGC, sad face, FLGC. That was a good pop there.
I called it in my low rumbly moan.
FLGC sad face.
Yeah, Saba
5
looks
cents a
nice.
share over here, though.
Surprised GDT didn't take this one. That's like right in his wheelhouse. Well, given the new information on EJH, I'm gonna go back to $1 instead of 3.
No, come on. You're $2 under the offering. Or actually the valuation.
Yeah, now you're right. $3. I'm throwing shares at it at $3.
Scared money don't make money.
Tell that to everyone in it right now. Brian's been in, or not Brian, David's been in this on paper for a while now. I'm actually curious to see how it ends up and if he traded it like he actually would trade it.
Holding up.
Paper traders.
He papers a lot of his long trades because he doesn't like them, but he wants to practice them.
WHLM to the moon.
He's thinking about the shoot down to the halt under 7. Oh, halt up? Halt up? Question mark? Could this be the bottom? Could it be? Could it be? Nope.
It was so hopeful there.
Looking for a stop point EJH. $0. LOL. Carrot LOL.
At least it's fighting a little bit now.
Yeah, it is trying. Yeah, it's like at what point do the big guys step in? They're like, all right, you know what? Let's make this bounce a little bit.
I don't think it's right here.
No, I don't. Nope. Sheesh. Ugh, man. I can't imagine being long in this thing right now. It just does not want to even try to go higher. SPY working its way back down again.
How many people got in at that like 1160 mark where it bounced from yesterday?
Oh yeah, like assuming it's gonna hold support, and it just is like, no, 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 no. That was yesterday.
Yeah, I think I'll cover this one up. I'm all out. Oh, I messed up. I just spelled real R-E-E-L. That would have been the real seller.
Oh, that says real. I thought it said red.
Oh, here we go.
Don't have a green pen in Snipper, apparently.
They're waiting for that. Now they gotta work the halt price down. This is brutal. Like on all accounts. No, I haven't been with CMEG for quite some time actually. Execution? It's all the same. It's all DOS execution. We're still using DOS, so.
Yesterday it was in the 30s.
CMEG, I mean, I never had issues at all with CMEG's execution.
Down to 1165
Minus like
when it
my
bounced
own
up
problems,
to where
like when it was user error type stuff. But nah, it's been, I mean, I had no issues with CMEG. I have no issues with interactive brokers.
Maybe it's not the place to ask,
Oh,
but what does an NTB means? Not to borrow.
Could be a phenomenal bounce back.
None. None to borrow.
Yeah, where's our dick bot
Choose your
alerts?
N-word, LOL. None asterisk. I
What?
should figure
What's
that out
that?
on my own.
Where's our
Smiley
dick
face.
bot alerts?
Thanks.
I don't think they're on anything.
Is that alerting this thing or no?
No. It had one alert yesterday.
All good.
Did
But
it work?
feel free to ask. S in
Supposedly.
lounge.
It was on what the hell do you call it? The one that was moving a lot yesterday.
Got it?
Need to find it.
Can't remember what was moving yesterday. It was too long ago.
EVK. It was 483 to 493.
Down through 7.
Solve it just cuz. SS.
See, Colin.
Yeah. $3 is coming fast, dude.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I want to see it halt. I bet you if this halts, it might gap down a little bit the next time. I think people really thought it was going to bounce there. Let's start looking up recipes to make some chili.
People chili?
It's going to be pulled pork brisket chili.
Oh, that'll be good.
Yeah, I'm excited. I don't really need a recipe. I could probably just makeshift one myself, but let's see if anyone actually has one that sounds good. This first one I found sounds really good because it uses adobo sauce. I love that stuff.
Holy chips ahoy on this EJH, huh?
crazy.
Now you guys got me looking for a dip buy opportunity.
Dollar on way Saba.
Like, does this thing bounce?
I also love when he says dollar on way with stuff like that, and the price is like still at the highs. You're like,
I
what?
was just looking at those wicks, thinking the same thing. But if you're on the bid, I mean, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just saying, like, usually with him, when the market's going well, he's looking for like 100% of the move. but then you like look over and you're like, was that even like 2%?
Yeah, I've been trying to convince myself on Sava for a few minutes now.
You'd want to spike up towards 95 or something,
Yeah.
like an actual move.
TTI
I mean,
earnings.
even if it made a move, I don't know if I could handle a 50-cent spread right now.
Yeah, Jesus, EGH is just grinding lower.
Ugh.
It's almost
I
to
like
$6.
539. That's your mark.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's just start picking. Let's just start picking like lucky numbers at this point, because nobody
Where
knows.
are you looking?
I actually drew out fib extensions on it, so
Carrot
that's
game.
the next fib extension.
All right, that's fair.
If it bounces there, I will forever not make fun of you about fibs.
Man, fib falls at 539.
TTI. What the heck is this? Apparently it's on earnings, but that's a weird move. Every part of me is like, trade it!
Yeah, right. It's actually shares here.
Yeah, it went literally right to the high of yesterday, exactly.
LOL.
You know, or it just works right away.
I don't care. I'm in it. I want something.
Yeah, for real. This is officially worse than yesterday. Yesterday, right around this time, is when I had a trade. 1040, I think it was.
Have you not had a trade?
No trades.
You were watching the stream, you'd already know that answer.
I think you're the only one that has traded.
But I don't do that.
Yeah, yeah, I think you... No, Thomas traded, didn't you?
Oh yeah, Thomas.
Yeah,
Thomas
pins.
took pins. Twice, I think.
You only got it once.
No.
I don't know what happened on that second pop. I think that
Should
was
have
the
held
one where
that.
I
Should have
decided
held
she
that
wanted to
second
call.
one, bro.
Yeah, the second one was where it was at.
Thing came down too.
All these recipes call for, like, the pork and brisket to be raw to cook in the chili.
Blah 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 blah. BT you coming down.
Jag, did you get one?
No. I got nothing.
Just me and you, Thomas.
I'm going to get EJH at some point.
539, baby. 539.
ATCX, here we go.
613 yet? 613 is my number.
What, you want to buy it at 613?
Yeah, I thought we were picking favored lucky numbers.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with $3.
Well, see, 613 is my birthday, so I figured.
Yeah, mine already failed me. 927.
Because of the size of this drop,
Jesus, that spread LOL.
after that 539, the next fib line falls at
Zero.
573.
See you guys on OTC.
The one below that is negative 2374. Because the only way to draw them was that big drop yesterday to where it popped to, you know?
There'll be 6 trillion shares at 5 cents.
The thing is, how
13.80-ish.
how did they not have any kind of offering? That's the real question. If they were valuing their company at $4 to $5, When they were all the way up there for this long of a time, how is there no offering? That makes no sense.
That's a good point.
Yeah, it's weird.
Like they're literally just
Is that
gonna
a
let this
news
thing come
or
all the way back down? No, there's been no news.
TTI out all.
So
Lunch
it wasn't
monies.
that they're valued at $4 or whatever.
Well, no, that's just what I mean. Yeah, that wasn't news. That's just what it was. That's I mean, their original value was $4 to $5, but it opened at 16 something and went all the way up
Oh,
to
really?
80. Yeah.
So this was supposed to open up at $4 or $5. Somehow it
Yes.
opened up way the hell up here.
Yes.
I guess.
That's what I'm saying. It could just be finally going home.
Nah.
GOTU. $80. Bunch of things I'm not interested in. No shares. I'm cool.
That daily too. Ugh.
Yeah, the 60 looks better.
I mean, yeah, definitely better than the daily, but it still looks like poop.
I opened the daily. I was like, okay, now look at that. Let me look at the 60. Make it look better.
Ugh. Wonder what the float is on this. Float is big, between 123 and 237. ACST. Look at Tau.
CST stalking it.
Is Tau and that one you just we just had it up? Are they the same thing? The daily and 60 look exactly the same.
It's another Chinese stock.
Yeah, I think they're both
And
Chinese
GoTo.
education.
Yeah, TAL and GOTU. They dailies are identical.
It's all Chinese education.
Identical.
He said ACSD stalking. Christ. Oh man, that's what we're resorting to. Mm-mm.
Oh, that's frustrating.
Okay, guys.
Tim, I'm gonna spend 2 weeks watching nothing move in this beautiful ISW.
Yeah,
My kid's gonna come out, and I'm gonna miss another 2 weeks.
I'll see if I can get you an extension based on market parameters.
No. I just think it's funny that it's freaking dead.
Yeah, this is brutal. This is like the movie, the part of the movie where the frickin' little hay balls come rolling across the road.
I'll be back.
The old man whittling on the porch.
Ugh. Uh-oh, someone in my YouTube chat's long at $7. EJH, let's go. It does look like it's forming some support here. It's trying.
All right, Zentis K.
Yeah, we got some. Yeah, let's root for Zentis. Let's go. Newt next. Oh, Newt's gonna be the next one that does this. Oh God. Look at Newt. NEWT.
Wow.
It has begun. Today, August 3rd, 10:50 a.m. Newt has been discovered as the next EJH. And now, fighting out of the red corner. I am so bored.
Weighing a wet 122. It actually does look like it's curling up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, until it just goes in testate and gets smothered.
Right.
Oh, it can't. It can't. 785 is the halt.
Obliteration.
Win 56 KTB.
Well, should be thankful I didn't lose any money.
This is true. This is true.
I mean, I guess technically I did, like what, 6% divided by 365. Did they ever release the new inflation
GOTU
numbers?
out all.
The what?
EJH
Did they
stop
ever
under
release
$6.
the new inflation numbers when Powell spoke? Or said
Oh,
they
I
were
don't
gonna
know.
raise it?
I thought they said it was like at normal rates or something. I thought when they had the meeting or whatever.
I think what they said is, if I remember right, it was like 5.6 for the basket, but they said that it's transitory, that it's just a temporary thing.
Yeah, I don't know. I wonder how the whole eviction thing went.
Wasn't that part of the infrastructure bill, was to extend that or something like that?
Well, I think they were talking about it, but I don't know if they did. Somebody yesterday had said Biden asked them to extend it or whatever, but I don't know. I mean, I don't follow that stuff.
I know this is the wrong side of history and all, but could you imagine just having one little rental that you saved up, your whole life essentially, and you're renting it out, and they haven't paid rent in months, and
And they just start junking it. Yeah.
Yeah. Or if you're the type that has one where you get the mortgage and essentially somebody's paying it, and now you're making 2 mortgage payments. I guess Cintas doesn't have a target for us.
That's not what I meant.
Looks like Sava worked out for him.
For a B.
I think that's who was in. Might have been David.
Yeah, I think it was B. Sure, he got in. He likes playing Sava.
No, GDT's tradeless.
What?
Tradeless in Seattle, bro.
You got goose egg.
Who's watching, girls and boys and boys and girls?
TGH.
We're rooting for Zintis.
All right, I'm all out as well. I didn't want to tell you guys because I was rooting for Centis, but
Wow, what a horrible entry, though. Tim, come on, man.
well, I was looking for the break, you know.
You're supposed to do it at the top.
Yeah, but you know that's. I feel like the top. Yeah, I could have ran all the way back to like $40.
I got like $6 on you.
I mean, but it could have went to 30. I mean, I can't redo my chart, bro. It's real.
NTB. IPO Karen.
Real.
If I would just imagine if someone spent 2 minutes on something like that instead of 1 minute. Like, just how fake. Like, that's how easy it is to just post shit on Twitter.
Yeah.
It's so sad. That's why I literally say in my little intro video on YouTube, there is not one other single channel like me, because it's true. Because they do not do what I do. They do not show you everything.
Cocky mofo.
I mean, it's true. I'm not trying to be cocky. It's the truth.
Squirrel trade.
Squirrel trader, just like you.
That dude lost all credibility a while ago.
Trading monkey.
I mean, yeah, I mean he's legit, but look at him.
You're in good company.
He's legit to a fault.
Mm-hmm. That's hilarious though, because he is legit trading. He just sucks.
Yeah.
Like,
I haven't checked on him in a while. Let me see how he's doing. He's live now. 229 people watching.
Okay, this is my last attempt. Like, who are these people?
He's got 4 green trades today and 1 red trade.
Look at him, dude. Good track record today.
His starting balance. I wish I remembered how much like his actual starting balance was, because the money he adds in is like all YouTube and like YouTube money. So he's up to 9,600, but his actual balance is 8,483. So he's actually lost $1,200, or $1,117. But the money because he adds money like every month, I think it was. I don't remember how he does it, but it's all just YouTube money. It's
good for him.
Yeah, I mean he'll never be successful at trading, but he's got a little side gig where he makes money off of other people, so can't knock him for it.
No, like seriously, I wasn't being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Like, good for him, you know.
I mean, yeah, the thing that rubs me wrong about him is I was literally the one that set his stream up for him. Like, I literally held his hand and set it. Like, we were on a Discord call, and I literally told him step by step how to do it. And then not even that very next week, he like blocked me from his YouTube channel. for I don't even remember like the reasoning he gave me. He just did it and then he just stopped talking to me. I was like, wow.
Did he give you a reason? Like, I'm
No.
liking you because.
He kept trying to say that he was looking or that it was his son. That's what he kept saying. He kept saying like his son must have did it by accident, and that he was gonna get me unblocked or whatever, and then he never did. I was like he just kept he just like kept using that as his excuse. Like, oh well, my son moderates my channel. He must have did it by accident, and then he just never unblocked me. Not that I gave a shit, but I was rooting for him. Like I wouldn't sit there and spend 2 hours on a Discord call helping you set something up if I wasn't rooting for you.
Like against you, yeah.
Yeah. I thought I was just helping out a yeah, I thought I was helping out, you know, a fellow YouTuber, and then just to turn around and do that, I was like, wow, okay. So he kind of lost me there. Yeah, well, yeah.
He threw his son under the bus. That's my son's fault.
But then if you ever watch him for more than like 5 minutes, you start to understand like why. Like he's just I don't know. I don't know how people can watch him. Like you said, like I get it, it's entertainment. He's very relatable as well. I think that's a lot of people go in there, and if you ever read his chat, it's people trying to like coach him because they feel they're better than him. And I think that's part of it. Like they just feel that they're finally better at trading someone else by watching him. As bad as that sounds, but I'm pretty sure it's the truth.
Because most people, I mean, that are YouTube channel traders claim to be the best ever.
Well, that's what I'm saying. So it's like they find someone that's relatable, you know, also losing money, and it's just I think a lot of people that's why they watch them.
I get it.
I just got Monkey another subscriber. I saw Zentis subscribe to him. Welcome to the Monkey Army, Zentis. Enjoy your stay over there, Zentis.
Now we're gonna lose that.
Let me go find my block button real quick, Zentis. Oh, sorry, my 5-year-old son did that. My bad.
He moderates my room.
From school with no computer.
I have a 5-year-old monitoring the room. Don't worry, he'll keep it under control. Son of a bee, man. There ain't nothing going down here.
I can't do what he does. Like I can't sit there and just talk nonstop. It's just not. I can't do it.
We do talk all day.
Yeah, about stuff we want to talk about.
Oh, he literally talks about trading all day.
Yeah, like he will literally just say the same things over and over again and just repeat himself and like just he's trying to be a radio host essentially. Which again, good for him, but at the same time, I personally can't do it. And on top of that, I'm not going to cater to the 90% like someone like he does. It's just not
like that Trader TV. They kind of seem like the radio station of the YouTube world for the stock.
Oh, 100%.
I kind of dig it. They found a little niche, and it works. It's a good.
I love that
I think it's
thing
cool.
they do. Yeah. It's almost it's like a news. It's almost like CNBC, but for day trading.
For day trading, yeah, it's pretty dope.
Yeah.
That was a cool idea.
Oh,
I think they actually trade, and they seem to be. That's kind of what they became.
Right. They were good traders, and then they kind of probably interviewed for that. I'm sure there's more like behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah, they probably like needed 3 traders to fill the room. Found those 3 guys. Like,
they work really well together too.
Long bias. The other guy's kind of just like the news dude.
They actually are. They trade both ways pretty frequently, actually.
They do, but the black guy does seem to be more short bias.
He does, yeah. You're right.
The white guy who trades more often is more long bias.
Yeah, I agree.
You can have both grounds covered. It's kind of smart.
Yeah, and then the news guy. I agree. That's like I try to get DT to be that for us, but you know.
He doesn't like to show up to work. He's fired. At least we're here every day. Beach flick. I haven't noticed that all day. It's not that amusing, so don't look at it, but. Well, guys. I got a small one on UAA. I wasn't going to report it just because it was small. But I'm not trusting things to fly, dude. It's not a good sign.
Is that a trick question, Tim?
No. I have a really good one that Brian absolutely loves.
Do it.
Trader. Out of curiosity, Vash, you don't use Snippet to do your charts or what? Tim. He's ignoring me.
Sorry, I can't hit my button when I'm scrolling through because then it doesn't let me click and open it. But no, I use a alt print screen.
Then why doesn't it print all the screen for you like it does on me?
Control print screen is the whole screen. Alt print screen is the window you have selected.
No, I know, but like on your chart, it stops kind of where you got your, your tools and your day pick thing. Mine, it's printing above that. I'm getting the
Oh,
Trader Elite
because
Pro.
I don't have that stuff. My charts are detached, and I don't have any of the stuff up top there.
You detach the charts. I got you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, if I detach it, it probably won't be there too, huh?
Correct.
Let's see. How do you do that? Configure?
Just right click the title, and
Right
it's like
click the title.
like the title bar, yeah, and it's where it says pop out, top right. Yeah, Colin, that one's it's a good one.
BDR83KTB.
Just
BDR83KTB LOL.
yeah, that's top quality. Good
Yeah.
trade you got there.
Got it.
That's
Oh.
definitely top shelf.
Pennies
Look at
available
that.
too, huh?
I like that. That's pretty cool.
PayPal's in the description.
And it'll still link. Oh, nope, that's the issue I'm gonna have with that. But then when you click
It'll
on it, it makes your finger
disappear.
disappear.
Yeah, because well, what you could do is you could pop it out and then just minimize your DOS platform
Where'd it go?
underneath your DOS platform.
Oh, it's underneath.
Well, yeah, if you just popped it out, then yeah. So like if
Yeah.
you just minimize it, minimize your DOS platform, it should be there.
Oh, there it is. How do I get that to come back?
Down the bottom, you just hover over your DOS platform icon and just you can click on it. Or you could just right click the title bar of it again, of the chart, and just click where the pop out was. It should say MDI child.
MDI child, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And it'll put it back in there.
That's the downside of that. Okay.
Well, that's why, like here, let me just take a screen grab.
I wonder if I do this, EJH. Okay, if I click the other chart, it doesn't do that. There we go. Figured out a way around it.
That's what I was going to say. If you just detach all your charts and then keep your DOS thing to the left, like so.
Actually, if I don't detach my other chart, because I only have two charts, if I don't detach the other one because I have them linked, I can click on that one to switch the symbol still.
Gotcha. I was just going to show you on mine. You can see on the left side, it's like my actual DOS platform, and then I have all my charts detached over to
See
the right.
girls' boobs. That's all I'm seeing so far. Hold on, let's get some charts.
But yeah, so I could click on any one of those charts and just alt print screen.
Where did these
And
boobs come from, Vesh?
You like those?
Why do you got boobs in yours and there's no boobs anywhere else?
You jealous of the boobies?
I'm jealous that you got boobies and I don't.
That's a ISW team only picture.
You guys got no girls in the room, huh? That's what we really. I think it would be kind of cool if we could all behave like normal people, like even with the girl there. If we had a chick trader, that'd be kind of fun.
GDT's in there.
Oh, CBT a girl.
Got him. Where is this picture? There it is.
Oh my god.
Why didn't it upload?
Did BDR show up on the scan? I didn't.
Yes, Colin. Yes, it did. If you can hear me.
Got light volume, bro.
Where is the picture? Where did it go? I need to move it so I can find it easier in the future.
No, I don't think they took it, but they were talking about it.
Okay. Funko getting a pop. That's kind of interesting, actually, Vesh.
Reminded TTI off earnings. Reminder asterisk.
That's kind of interesting.
I'll think it up.
For what it's worth.
Saying Funko's going to be the next one to go to parabolic. Funko might be worth watching, people.
Oh, Zintis. Hope you got your 50 cents, Zintis.
True.
Would like to say my
Yes.
most used emojis are actually popping up now, which is weird.
I'm saving that one.
In the highly speculative trading.
Yeah, I love that.
That's pretty funny, dude. This'll move. Where did Jaggy Pants go?
There you go, Devin.
EJH reversal.
NVDA. Sorry.
Are selling off sharply. Charlie ain't lying.
Oh wow, yeah. More chip shortage. What's the other one? AMD. AMD is not selling off as crazy. AMD's actually on a run. Look at that daily. Ooh, AMC looks dirty. Under $30, AMC is toast. Ooh. GME too.
I think the apes are losing interest.
Yeah. I mean, look at the dailies on both of those, GME and AMC.
Yeah.
TTI 3.50s.
TTI going for it again? It's crazy fast moves.
3KTB.
Alright, all out. NVDA just made my day.
Guys, I just made a lot of money.
I didn't make that much money, but I did okay. I just made $91 on NVDA with 100 shares.
Nice.
And that was the most pain-free trade I've had.
Nice. Nice, very nice, very nice.
TTI hold
100
level
shares.
3.61.
You must be bored as anything.
You must be seriously desperate.
I wanted to make some money, so that helped. I'm still not a goal.
I mean, I'm staring at TTI, so I'm seriously desperate.
Same.
Oh, I got it up as well.
Did you enter on the break of that that previous red candle? Is that your entry
Yeah,
there?
as it came down, then started going back up, I clicked the buy 100. I would have
Yeah,
stopped that below like 194.50.
I'll say he didn't even wait for that break. That's where he ended up selling this first amount.
Well,
He
I entered on
assumed the
of
break.
The close.
I entered on the break of the previous the close of the red, or the top of that red bar.
Yeah.
Isn't it crazy how many millions of ways there are to find an entry point?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a billion, dude. Yeah, the reason you don't see this because you look at the 2 minute and I look at the 1 minute. Let's see what you're seeing. Yeah, you just see me entering.
TTI $$ on way, says B.
Those bottom wicks looked good though. And it was so extended to the downside, you figure it's going to retest towards the 9.
Not I, says B.
This sucks.
You-
I should just go
They-
home. Take my phone and leave.
Aren't you at home?
Yes.
If you can't trade like him, make fun of him instead.
Yeah, when I get bored, I go to the
Want it
couch. I'm like,
closer
this
to
sucks. I'm going to the couch.
Carrot.
I got a man cave loft up here that
Carrot.
is like work, essentially.
Yeah, I created this office into my man cave. I got workout equipment over here to my left. I got my big soft cushiony chair to my right. Workout.
11 minutes.
I can trade.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea, Tim. Even though I missed my 9-cent move on TTI. Should be the end of the day for me. I don't know,
Yeah,
man. I wonder if August is just going to be like this. It'll pick back up after school starts.
Yeah, maybe.
27 KTB.
This is how summer usually is, though.
Oh, yeah.
Last year was a fluke.
I remember previous to last year, me and you sitting here going, "This sucks."
Yeah.
August usually isn't horrible, though.
Yeah, usually it's July that's really bad, but July actually wasn't like this bad.
June is like normally like the big slowdown. July sucks. August is like a little better, but not much.
Yeah, I think it really comes down to like the huge liquidity that's usually in the market are the people that are actually making money. And in, end of June through early August, they're all vacationing.
On their boats.
Yeah.
They're enjoying their life. They're enjoying their millions. Or we're over here trying to scrape together some hundreds.
Yeah. Welcome back, dude. You missed everything.
I got a trade.
I saw that. I can't believe you traded that.
100 shares, baby.
That was what we said.
Right off the bat.
That's how bad it is. I saw something move in, and I'm like, I think I'm gonna take this.
We should have taken EJH. We would have made big money.
Big money, honey.
Would have made a buck already.
Buck. Could have made a whole buck.
Fuck, man.
I just know in less than a year I'll be in Scotland, and that makes me happy.
Living there forever?
No, just for a week, but
That's
it'll
pretty
be
cool.
awesome.
That's if you're not locked out.
That's a
Hopefully
good
nothing
point.
crazy happens between here and there, dude.
Like flu season.
Like flu season.
Found the full picture.
All right.
Mine.
I feel like people that like a little bit more meat on the bones. Oh yeah, that's probably the first time you've seen that.
Tired boy.
It's so weird seeing the bottom half of this picture.
Right, and beggars can't be choosers and all, but I'm a little disappointed there's no matchy here. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I can agree with you.
Like there was much more left to the imagination.
Yeah, I agree.
VXRT is popping, Timothy.
It is it?
Stop it! Don't lie to us.
What Charlie said.
Oh
It
yeah.
is popping to the high. He didn't lie.
SW. No, we missed it. Never mind. SWBI.
Yeah.
Nice.
Once you have her name, Colin, it's kind of disappointing.
Oh no! What is it?
Emma. No, I didn't mean like the name itself. I just meant like seeing all of her other pictures.
Oh.
Like that picture that I posted originally was the probably one of the best.
She does look good.
Yeah, she don't look bad.
I wouldn't kick that out of bed.
CODX stalking
No,
it.
of course not.
Of course not.
I don't know. She's like a 9.95. You know, I need tens.
Who are we talking about?
A high bar, dude.
The girl in the Discord.
If you're
Blonde?
gonna step out, you better step up.
True,
cute.
true. If we're talking about rules here.
Yeah.
Rules.
I mean, Jag wouldn't kick her out of bed.
No, I'd keep her. Locked in the dungeon.
It puts the lotion on the skin. Where's DT when we need him?
No, I was saying I found the full picture of that picture, and I feel like it takes away a little bit.
Dude.
But
They cropped it.
yeah. She was feeling a little bloated that day. But this is also her.
There ain't nothing wrong with her.
And this is a pretty good one.
Doesn't even look like her.
Huh.
The side view's a lot better with her head turned.
This one here, it's like she has way too much makeup on. The one I'm looking at now.
It's a little fake, but
Oh well, up top's paid for, 100%.
up top is definitely paid for. That's not natural.
That just means she's trying.
Like Looks like I should have tried to hold on to UAA, although it hasn't moved very far.
It's just kind of poking around in there.
Yeah, it got a little higher than where I got out, but
That doesn't look like her at all.
yeah, she looks really different in that picture.
I don't know what happened there, but that's not a good day for her.
I mean, Jag still wouldn't kick her out of bed, but
She must have had a bad night's sleep.
Look, it's a Anya wannabe. Today for our stock talk.
And she's got the glasses on, makes her look smart.
Yeah,
And,
that's right.
and believable.
look, I found one. I found one without makeup. That's what she looks like unfiltered, guys. Pretty hot. Jag still wouldn't kick her out of bed.
Yes.
Those glasses, god damn it.
I'll be right back.
Alright. We'll miss you. Ooh, baby Jag.
So much motion in the ocean.
So much. A little too much.
Is that where you're headed, Jag? I'll be right
I'll be
back,
right
he
back. I
says.
gotta
I'll
take
be
care
back.
of
Uh,
Get this
Get
out
the
of way.
lotion. Should we just take a nap?
See, this is what happens when you stay around for 11 more minutes. You start looking at VXRT like there's something happening here.
like it's frickin' the best thing you've seen in a couple weeks. Guys, I'm about to make you drool a little bit. She wears that well.
Yeah, uh-huh.
It's the same chick. Gosh, she wears that well. I think that's probably my favorite picture. That one and then the glasses.
$1 million stock market. And boredom is fully setting in.
You're not an EJH? No, why would I be an EJH? I would have been if it got the $3. I told you I'd be in if it went to $3. Why would I be an
Is it me or VXRT always this way? Like always real grindy?
EJH? Why is there so many dislikes on my stream today? somebody didn't like how I was talking about Monkey?
Oh no, who'd you piss off?
Somebody,
The
apparently.
monkey's good.
You don't think the Monkey's the best trader ever? No, newsflash, guys. No, he's not. But it was kind of weird. It's the first time I think I've seen an outburst of dislikes. It's probably just one person on multiple accounts. It usually is how that works.
It's the dickbot guy.
Yeah, he's got me up on the other on another screen.
Son, unblock him so I can see what he's saying about me.
All right. I think we're gonna call it on the stream at least. I'll be in Discord. I'm gonna go make some lunch.
I actually
Might even go get some lunch or something. I don't know. But Yeah, brutal day, guys. No trades today. I don't really know what to do. Just nothing moving. So, watching VXRT. We'll keep an eye on it in case it wants to make a move here. I'm assuming up towards like 940, 960, $10. So I would want it to make a move. If we're taking a look real quick at the 60, you can see those levels I just drew. 42, which is over here. 67 and 10 right there. So I'd be looking for a move, a nice little squeeze up to those areas. And if it can make it there, maybe we'll take a trade, but it does not look like it really wants to go fast. So we'll keep an eye on it, but other than that, no trades. And yeah, addedly, I don't know where all those dislikes came from. I have no idea, to be completely honest. I'm assuming since we never really had more than 19, 20 people watching at once, since we have 14 likes, I'm assuming the fact that there's 7 dislikes, it's probably all just one person, would be my guess. But alrighty, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully we can have a better day in the morning. Peace.